Welcome to AI Explained. Today, we're demystifying the core process of artificial intelligence, how it actually learns. Here's the hook. AI doesn't read textbooks, memorize facts, or understand concepts the way you do. Instead, it stares at millions and millions of examples. By the end of this short video, you're going to understand AI learning in simple, intuitive terms, completely free of complicated math. So how does staring at a million examples turn into intelligence? The core concept is pattern extraction. At its heart, all AI learning is fundamentally about finding patterns in massive amounts of data that would take a human thousands of years to sift through. Let's use a common example. Your email spam filter. How does your inbox know that an email about a miracle weight loss supplement should go to junk, while an email from your boss should stay in your main inbox? The AI isn't programmed with a list of bad words. Instead, it's fed thousands, often millions, of previously categorized emails. Those that were definitely spam, and those that were definitely not spam. The AI starts analyzing every single one of these emails. It looks for clues, like words such as winner, free, jackpot, excessive exclamation points, or strange misspellings. These are the patterns. The whole process is called pattern extraction through repetition and feedback. The more examples the AI sees, the better it gets at spotting those tiny, sneaky characteristics of a spam email. This pattern finding is built around a simple, three-step training loop: guess, check, and adjust. In the training process, the AI looks at a new email and makes its best guess. Maybe it says, based on the word prize, I'm 85% sure this email is spam. That's the guess. The check is where the system or a human tells the AI if its guess was right or wrong. If you marked the email as not spam, the system gets feedback, guess was wrong. If the guess was wrong, the AI subtly adjusts its internal rules. It might decide, okay, maybe the word prize isn't as strong a spam indicator as I thought. Then it immediately moves on to the next email and repeats the loop thousands of times a second. To really understand this process intuitively, think about learning something physical, like riding a bike. When you first try, you make a subtle movement. That's your guess at balancing. You immediately feel yourself falling. That's the check or the error. You then subtly shift your weight to correct it. That's the adjust. AI is learning through this exact same process of guided practice. It's not magic. It's just making a lot of guesses, getting immediate feedback on its errors, and making small internal adjustments until it eventually gets it right every time. Let's quickly recap the 3 simple steps of how AI learns. Your action step for today. Explain to a 10-year-old how AI learns in just 3 sentences. Here's an example. AI learns by staring at millions of labeled pictures. It then makes a guess about a new picture. If it's wrong, it changes its rules slightly and tries again. In this video, we talked about AI learning from millions of examples. But what exactly are these examples? They are data sets. To learn exactly what a data set is, check out video 14 on the screen now. Thanks for watching.